Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day we are uploading IT related content videos. Just subscribe, like and share my video. Today we are see how to take old contact details, send and receiving everything mail IDs. Just follow the procedure. You have old working OS in just follow this procedure. Percentage run percentage just go and directly go to local that folder, or your problem windows is there now, just old hard drive in directory, C drive admin username selected, select user and update this is a procedure. Just copy for ROM cache. These three files stream autocomplete file is there. Just to copy one file, this is a file size is high, that file only you copy and take a backup in another folder. Okay, another drive or some other you can copy, paste it. I am now here pasted. Now we are configured in a new Outlook. Okay, in my computer, just open that Outlook. Now checking in search mean new mail, compose new mail. Can't find the old mails. Okay, now what we are doing, just close an Outlook. Again check, this is empty. Just close Outlook, everything. Go same procedure and rename it. Okay, just percentage update of percentage row update click local Microsoft Outlook ROM cache. You get same 3 stream autocomplete file. This is a one is file is data file is I. Just follow this, rename and copy. Okay, just copy that name for that is also file is I. 3 stream autocomplete files is there. That is that one is high. Just copy and rename it in backup file. Okay, that file you go copy and replace it. Now newly comes on update directory. Just go and paste it. Okay, I am rename and copy that file. Update local Microsoft Outlook ROM cache. Just paste it, copy and replace it. Okay, I taken one screenshot and put on a thumbnail. Now close, copy replaced it. Now you facing a file is I 245 KB. Just open Outlook. See now same compose new mail. I am click ABCD. I am get now sold. Thank you friends. Selva Solutions like and share, subscribe பண்ணாத subscribe பண்ணி bell button click பண்ணிக்கங்க.